Welcome to Brian's Backroom Basics. Today we're going to be learning how to poach an egg. To poach an egg, we're going to need a couple things. Pot of boiling water, the egg, slotted spoon. So bring your water up to a boil. Just kind of get this going. So there's a bunch of different techniques you can use to poach an egg. You can throw in vinegar. I've heard things about throwing in salt. I've heard don't do that one. But I've heard metal sieves, ramekins, all sorts of different things. We're just doing this basic, nice, simple routine. There's probably a better way to do this, but we're just doing it for the sake of feeding ourselves. This isn't like we're trying to be a chef or anything. Okay, so we've got our water boiling, and I'm gonna turn it off. And we crack our egg. Actually, we're gonna create a whirlpool. Cracked our egg. There we go. Just drop the egg right in. Now we're gonna let the egg cook up in there for 3 minutes. So 3 minutes are about up. We're gonna get ready to scoop the egg out with our slotted spoon. You can see in here there's a little extra kind of floating around. That's okay. It's not necessarily, again, supposed to be a perfect egg. So pop this out. There we have just a nice simple poached egg. Ours broke a little on the takeout, but you know, it happens. Just crack right into it. And there we go, look at that. Nice, beautiful poached egg.